Question 4, part A. We have two vectors, vector A and vector B, and in part A it says find the cross product. Now there's a few ways to do this. The mark scheme will usually just tell you the answer, so it's not very helpful if you don't know how to solve it. So I'm just going to show you how to solve it using the matrix method, which I think is a pretty easy method. So the cross product of A and B will equal, we write I, J, and K, and whatever our first vector is, which is A, we write that horizontally, and just the coefficients of I, J, and K. So it will be 1, -3, and -2, and then our vector B, which is 0I, be careful there, -3 and +2. Okay, what we do then is we isolate I, and we want to ignore the rest of that row and the rest of that column, and we're going to use these four. And what we do is we do like a cross here. It's -3 times 2, which is -6, minus -2 times -3, which is +6. So we're going to get -12, and that's the value of that's the coefficient of our I vector. So -12I. And it's always a minus. Be careful here. J is going to be the minus one. So we ignore the rest of the row and the J column, and we're going to do 1 times 2 minus -2 times 0, which is 0. So it's just going to be 2, +2, but we need to make sure we have a minus here, 2J, and then this one will be a +1, that's K, so we isolate the column and the row. 1 times -3, which is -3, minus -3 times 0, so it'll be -3K. And that is the cross product. It's -12I minus 2J minus 3K.